Tracerline presents the UV Multicolored Fluid Dye Kit. When automotive systems are losing fluid, it can be difficult to find the exact location of the leak. The Tracerline UV Multicolored Fluid Dye Kit features color-coded dyes that can be used to pinpoint the exact source of multiple leaks in all fluid systems. The TP8692 kit comes with 4 1-ounce bottles of fluorescent dye. White, yellow, and blue dyes are formulated for petroleum or synthetic-based fluid systems, such as engine oil, power steering fluid, automatic transmission fluid, fuel, and hydraulics. Green dye is for water-based automotive cooling systems, find leaks in radiators, hoses, heater cores, water pumps, and fittings. The TP8695 cordless high-intensity UV LED flashlight is designed to fluoresce all of our dyes, even in dirty fluids. This powerful flashlight gives an inspection range of up to 20 feet. Used and approved by more OEMs than any other brand. For more information on the Tracerline UV Multicolored Fluid Dye Kit, visit tracerproducts.com today.